Exploring Stoic Ethics, a guide to meaningful living. Welcome back to our series on philosophy and personal growth. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of Stoic ethics and explore how it can help us lead more meaningful lives. So, grab a pen and paper, because we're about to embark on a journey of self-discovery. In the labyrinth of existence, where the tides of fortune ebb and flow, Stoicism stands as a beacon of wisdom and resilience. At its core lie the principles of Stoic ethics, timeless precepts that offer guidance and solace in navigating the complexities of life. Join us on a profound journey as we delve into Stoic ethics and explore how these principles can serve as a compass for a life of purpose and meaning. Understanding Stoic ethics. Stoic ethics, rooted in the teachings of ancient Greek philosophers like Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius, revolve around the cultivation of virtue and moral integrity. At its heart are four cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues form the foundation of Stoic ethics, guiding individuals towards a life of inner peace and moral excellence. Wisdom. Wisdom, the first and foremost virtue in Stoicism, is the art of discerning what is within our control and what lies beyond it. It is the ability to see the world with clarity and objectivity, free from the distortions of emotion and desire. The wise person recognizes the transient nature of external circumstances and focuses instead on cultivating inner tranquility and understanding. Courage. Courage, the fiery spirit that animates the Stoic soul, is the willingness to face adversity with fortitude and resilience. It is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it, born from a deep conviction in one's principles and values. The courageous person confronts life's challenges head-on, undeterred by the specter of failure or hardship. Justice. Justice, the moral compass of Stoicism, is the principle of fairness and equity in our interactions with others. It is the recognition of the inherent worth and dignity of every human being, regardless of race, creed, or status. The just person seeks to uphold universal principles of right and wrong, striving to promote harmony and equality in a world often marred by injustice. Temperance. Temperance, the virtue of self-mastery and moderation, is the key to inner harmony and tranquility. It is the discipline to govern our desires and impulses, leading to a life of balance and restraint. The temperate person finds contentment not in the pursuit of fleeting pleasures, but in the cultivation of inner virtues and values that endure beyond the whims of fortune. Now that we understand the principles, let's explore some practical ways to apply Stoic ethics in our daily lives. Applying Stoic ethics to life. To live in accordance with Stoic ethics is to embrace wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance as guiding principles in thought and action. It is to cultivate inner strength and resilience, to withstand the trials and tribulations of life with grace and dignity. It is to forge a character that is steadfast and unshakable, rooted in the timeless wisdom of Stoic philosophy. 1. Practicing mindfulness. Stoics encourage us to be fully present in the moment, observing our thoughts without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, we can become more aware of our reactions and choose how we respond to challenging situations. 2. Cultivating virtues. Identify the virtues you want to develop and make a conscious effort to practice them in your everyday interactions. For example, you can practice courage by facing your fears, or practice justice by treating others with fairness and kindness. 3. Practicing detachment. Stoics teach us to detach ourselves from external outcomes and focus on our own actions and intentions. By letting go of attachment to outcomes, we can find peace and freedom from anxiety. So, why should we explore Stoic ethics and incorporate it into our lives? 1. Emotional resilience. Stoicism teaches us how to navigate life's challenges with emotional resilience. By focusing on what is within our control, we can adapt and find strength in difficult situations. 2. Inner peace and serenity. By accepting the nature of things and practicing detachment, Stoicism helps us find inner peace and serenity amidst the chaos of life. 3. A meaningful life. Stoic ethics provides us with a framework for leading a meaningful life. By cultivating virtues and living in accordance with nature, we can find purpose and fulfillment. Conclusion. As we conclude our exploration of Stoic ethics, remember that it's not about achieving perfection but rather embracing the journey of self-improvement. By incorporating Stoic principles into our lives, we can cultivate virtues, find inner peace, and lead a more meaningful life. So, let's embrace this ancient philosophy and embark on a path of personal growth together. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more episodes on philosophy and personal growth. Until next time, remember to live virtuously and find meaning in every moment. See you soon.